And we're back to Nigeria, located on the equator and blessed with an abundant amount of renewable energy resources, chief amongst them being the sun. But the use of solar for the generation of electricity has remained somewhat minimal, yet the conversation around it continues. Well, I went out in Lagos to meet with Henry Boyo, who is doing his bit for the environment and to see the appreciation for solar energy rise. Meet Dr. Henry Boyo, a physics lecturer at the University of Lagos. He designed the Zero Net Energy Building with the aim of reducing environmental emission and pollution. The building produces as much energy as it uses. With the global trend towards sustainability and energy-efficient consumption, Dr. Boyo uses solar energy to generate heat using a parabolic satellite dish. Who needs fossil fuel or gas when the sun is available? As the sun rays reflect on the panels, Dr. Boyo tests the level of heat generated from the solar cooker with a piece of paper, a log of wood, and an activated carbon.
So it burns without smoke and it's clean energy.
At 176 degrees Celsius to 211 degrees Celsius, the temperature is high enough to power the equipment he uses. With a pot in hand and the heat generated, cooking just got easier.
All right, 3. Let's make it 4 so that we eat 1, 2. What we have is a reflection of the sun rays. These rays, the waves from the sun carry energy. And the energy is focused to where we put the pot. So at the focal point is the image of the sun. And because the sun is really hot, the image is expected to be very hot. So what we're doing is we are using this parabolic concentrator with the films, reflector films there, to bring the image together and concentrate it on the pot there. It's nice, the egg has cracked. So it's real egg.
Within 5 minutes, at the temperature of 210 degrees Celsius, generated by the solar cooker, the egg is hard-boiled and ready for consumption.
Wow. You love it. Also that they don't think that's Nigerian. That's what they will pick on.
So, hard-boiled egg.
In just less than 5 minutes.
I agree.
Can you see the taste is different from the conventional?
You could actually taste the
natural. The natural. And can you see the yolk?
Surrounded by refractory bricks and logs of wood, the smoked fish dryer is one that we can't leave out.
It has a lot of refractories around it. And these are high-quality refractory bricks. And so the burning chamber, the wood burns inside this burning chamber. And so when the wood burns here, all the energy is conserved within the box. Nothing goes out. Now, the fish is inside here. This is a drying compartment. Inside here, you can see.
Dr. Boyo explains how the dryer conserves energy.
5 layers of fish for drying. And the reflector of the cover acts like the solar concentrator. It reflects the heat energy back on top of the fish, increasing the efficient use of the heat energy. So eventually we'll find out that this device uses 1/4 the amount of wood the conventional fish dryer uses. By making use of renewable energy resources and energy conservation techniques, our eco-hero Henry Boyo is doing his bit in Lagos, Nigeria, by reducing wastage and environmental degradation to its barest minimum. So,